Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I have a really special guest. It's my brother. Please, my brother.
Hello guys.
My name is
And we
Paris.
are doing part 3 now. Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Taurus.
And today's video we're gonna be doing is fidget trading part 3. Because
Why we don't do part 3? Because we already have done part 2 of the part.
If you haven't watched that video, you should watch after you've seen this video.
Yeah, because as you know, one video is my sister's birthday and we are opening presents.
Yeah, and also look at my bunny. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. If you're done with that, why don't we get started? Because we are going to be doing is Sister Wishes Brother Fidget Trading Challenge.
What's the wishes?
I'm actually pretty nervous because look at that. And also this video sponsored
Why are
by
you so less?
and also this video sponsored by Minions and Paris and Classic. So now let's
This one.
Yeah,
And as you know, MLBB Mobile Legend has the new Transformers skin. And as you know, this one is Gadget. The Bumblebee one is X-Bron. As you know, guys, X-Bron is the I don't think because if you go to level 4 and if you click the big, it's not 10 use.
Okay,
But if you use Bumblebee skin, good.
look at my hair. I'm gonna do
because
this tutorial tomorrow if I'm free, guys. I'm gonna do this hairstyle tomorrow tutorial. Okay. So stay tuned for that. Now let's get started. Are you ready? So let's go.
I'm actually super ready. Oh my god.
Okay.
When are we gonna start?
Can I go first this time?
Make sure you don't do that.
Okay.
Make sure you don't cheat.
I'm gonna treat you this amazing tie-dye puppet for Hexacle puppet. Yay! I'm gonna accept this trick. Wow, my brother even let me this pink squishy.
I want this one because this is actually really matching. Can you guys see it? It's very nice, right? Very nice. And this one is tie-dye puppet, right, Paris? Nice tie-dye puppet, right?
Yeah.
We have 2 tie-dye puppet. This one is from my sister. He gave it to me though, and also we're gonna treat back.
Yeah. Okay. So we have to the first round of trading is pretty good actually because I give you 2 of them. Let's see. As for the second round,
It's my turn, right?
yeah.
I will give you this grand prize.
No, at last on me.
Okay. Let's take the minion. I'm gonna let you this and this for this.
You're gonna add a little thing. At least a little.
This one?
Okay. I'm gonna treat you with this also.
Yeah.
My dad is the minion coming back to me. And where the pink sticking out?
Daddy, I have put a bandage.
Actually have matching. Yeah. We actually
I'm
have matching.
very angry now.
And even I got a pink sticking out. Okay, then my brother got his orange sticking out. Okay, let's
Look
go
at this.
on.
Megatron. And in mobile, he will say, I'm Megatron.
So let's move on for round 3. Round 3 is my turn. Oh, here we go. I think I'm gonna treat it very easily. I will treat you. I'm gonna let you this puppet for the amount this puppet. Then what do you want? I'm also gonna add one of this squishy and the green. Where is the green? Yeah, where is the small one? Small one, I don't know where it is. Let me find it. Yeah. Okay, and also no need to find it. I'm gonna treat you this blue pillow too. Found it. Okay. Okay, I'm also gonna treat you for that. Is that already good enough? Squeeze it out a little bit more. I don't really have the pink anymore. But I'm just gonna add a pink one. Guys, what is from you? I don't think this time is a very good trick because
I use on this popping because it's really good. The popping makes me feel very relaxing. But I have to treat sticky notes, 2 paper squishy, and 1 popping. That's a lot, right, guys? Just for this.
okay, my treat. Okay, yeah, mine will give you this, and this one for the sticky notes. Which one? This one. Actually, you're gonna add a bit. Should I decide this or accept this? I'm not gonna get this. Farrell like the sticky note on your right there for the yellow color one. Okay, you want this too for this. I'm gonna add savage. Yay! I got this. I got all the skin.
Guys, look at this. How nice it is. Oh, so mini. Hi guys. Hi.
Okay, what did you get?
Oh, you got 40 sticky notes.
You just want to take my pink sticky note. I said to get a collection from the yellow color one. That's like, oh, I thought I'm gonna dislike this too, but then I like. Thank you so much. This is gonna be my forever. I can use this forever until I go get okay, nice. Round line. Oh no, it's hot. Okay. I want this pop, amazing pop it. This one is, didn't you know what this is the name called? And I'm gonna get you this shape. Should I dislike? Oh, I'm gonna accept. Oh, I'm gonna add. Oh, I'm gonna add. Okay, I'm just gonna add you one last thing. Yay! Oh my god, now I got matching again. Wow! Okay, round 6 is your turn. Okay. I'm gonna give you all of this. Okay, I'm gonna add one more thing. I give you this for this. You want this, but I cannot use this. Only. I'm gonna add. You can add a little bit more. Yeah. No, I don't want the orange one, but I want the yellow one. Because the yellow one brings very nice. Okay, I don't want this. I don't want this. This plus this. I'm gonna accept this. Yay! Yay! I got my carpet collection. Did you take this? No, I let you this. Okay, so that I can get a blue bag. Okay. It's round 7. Yeah, it's my turn. Okay, this time I'm gonna treat you a very, very good offer because I'm gonna let you this. This too. And one of this. Puppet. Tie-dye puppet. Look at it. I know. Don't show me that. And I'm gonna add you one of this for this 2 pillow over there. Okay, I'm just gonna add the last thing. This. Yay! There we go. Got 2 pillows. Oh, so lovely. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, it's the last round. Last round, what is the grand prize that you have? I'm gonna trade it for you, okay? I have this giant pillow over here. Can you please switch it something for me? Okay, fine. I'm just gonna trade you this. Mickey Mouse. For this? Yeah. This is very, very big. I really like that one. Let me try to add something before you go. What thing? Puppet. Hey, I'm not gonna trade that. So I'm gonna add you something. I like delivery won't have anything.
Let me the amounts of it.
Oh no, but I'm gonna trade you this.
I need the puppet.
But you have to trade the puppet over them because this sounds very good, guys. Look at this.
This is very expensive bag. If you want to trade with this rubbish, no way, you're gonna add that small as puppet.
I'm not gonna add this. This is already puppet, okay?
So very
Hey, okay, fine, okay? Okay. Your turn. What do you want?
this.
For
For this, these.
I want the puppet.
No puppet.
Because I'm gonna design this tree. If you don't want to let me the puppet. If you add the puppet, then I'm gonna let you this amount as puppet and all this rent price. But if I'm gonna design this tree.
Well, okay. You're not getting this back.
Yeah. Oh my god, the light track is so hard. Okay.
I want that tree thing. I don't care.
Okay. I won. But this is so cool. We're gonna add like the sheep over there, or your pillow, or your minion. Then you can get this and then all this. Come on around, so you're not gonna get it.
This one, and this one.
Actually, I just want the blue mini over here. I'm gonna accept this treat. Here you go.
My grand prize, please.
Here.
Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hot.